So today I've got something unique for you, something I don't normally do. I'm over here at GSA Equipment in Ohio, and I'm here checking out a whole bunch of their machines because they've got all kinds of stuff here. And the next couple days, I plan to do a whole bunch of videos here. So tomorrow, the container with the Direct XC1100s will be showing up, and we'll get our first peek at the brand new XC1100, which may or may not be the V1000 killer. It may be the best machine on the market. We don't know yet. But they're coming in tomorrow. And so I'm going to be there for the unloading of the container. And we're going to take a look at these machines. And I'm going to do a walk around. And I get to play with it. So we're going to be able to see that new machine. We're also getting a container of VMangs in tomorrow. So we'll be able to play with those as well. So check this out. Remember the Japanese K truck? This one that I did some videos on? Remember the HT22? And then you guys already know the R32 Pro, the R32-4, which is this one. I'm gonna do reviews on a bunch of these machines. This one they got a charger on. This one's got that huge seat base, so it takes away your headroom. But they've got an R32-3, and this one doesn't have the big seat base. So there's so much more headroom in the Dash 3, which are almost the exact same machine. So they've got R22s here. They've got all kinds of machines. So in the next couple days, I'm going to start playing with a bunch of these machines and do some reviews on them. And we're going to see exactly what these are. And I'm going to have a whole bunch more content. The R22 I haven't messed with. They've got R18s, I think R15s. Those VMangs are coming. So I roll up here to GSA to take a look. And look at these guys. They're out here spreading millings out with the RS3, the RS4, the RS6-1. So not only do they sell the equipment, but they use it too. Check that out. Oh, and look at this, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around in a second, and I'm really excited to show you guys this one. Ready? R57. Wow. Monster. Oh my word, this is a monster. So I get to do a review on this machine too. And this is the biggest excavator I will have ever played with. Yeah, I mean, look at this. I don't know if you guys can tell how big this thing is. But look, I'm just standing under this arm. Like, look how small I look compared to this thing. You know? See my foot? See the bucket? That's gigantic. So I'm excited to play with that one too. Look at all these RS4s. There's a whole fleet of them. RS3s. Why am I outside the fence? Let me get back inside the fence. Silly. Let me show you what we got. Okay, we already know the R10 Eco. We already know the RS4. We already know the RS3. Over here, what do we have? I get to play with the R18. It's got the big old save your face from a tree smacking you. There's the R15. So I get to play with that one too. R15, R15, R15. Holy cow. They've got stuff packed in tighter than an auction. I guess these ones just came in because they're not even... I don't even have roofs on them. Are they supposed to have roofs on them? What are these? I don't even know what these are. I don't know. But if you want some mowers, holy cow, they sell used mowers over here. That's actually where GSA started, selling used mowers, and just got into this equipment. Nuts. So stay tuned. I'm putting this video up now just to let you guys know. And tomorrow, Friday, January the 9th, after 1 p.m., we'll be out here checking out these new machines. So if you guys want to come out, check out, link in the description to GSA. They're in Barberton, Ohio. I don't know exactly where that is, but that's where I'm at, outside of Akron. And they've got this house converted into a dealership. At least that's what it looks like. And this big old sign, Ripa of Ohio. So yeah, if you want to check out the new XC1100 and the new container of VMangs, tomorrow's the day. Come on out here, and if you do want to buy anything, any of these machines, don't forget to mention this channel for a $200 discount. So if you plan to come out, we'll see you. Leave some info in the comments on what machines you want to see. I don't know how many machines I'll be able to do. So let me know which ones you want to see, and we'll see y'all soon.